Doxpop makes your e-file account management even easier with our service contact management tools. These tools allow you to attach, remove, or replace firm service contacts en masse. You'll find these tools useful when you start e-filing and when you see turnover at your firm. So let's quickly show you how it works. You'll find these tools on the e-file account administration page. To get there, we'll need to go to the e-filing tab and then click e-filing account administration. You'll find in the service contacts box a button labeled additional tools. We'll click that button, and now we have 3 ways to attach or detach service contacts. Let's start by attaching our service contact for the open cases our attorney is assigned to. Enter your attorney's bar ID, and then select the service contact you want attached. Click Attach. Now our system will search the public record for all open cases and attach your service contact accordingly. Depending on that caseload, this may take some time. While we wait, let's cover the few case types we can't attach through this tool. Once the process is complete, you'll be sent an email that summarizes what we were able to complete for you. Now let's go back and detach a service contact from all cases they are attached to. This is most useful should you have an attorney that leaves the firm. This one's pretty easy. Select the service contact you want to detach, and then click Detach. Again, this may take a few moments, and a summary will be emailed once complete. Now, imagine you have an attorney leaving the firm, and another attorney is taking over their caseload. This is where you'll want to use the Replace a Service Contact tool. Here, we first select the service contact we want removed from all cases, and then we'll select the service contact we want to replace that other service contact. And then, click Replace. The system will now find all the cases the first service contact is attached to, and will attach the replacement service contact. And once that process is complete, it will go back and detach the first service contact. Again, we'll send you a summary telling you what was completed. And that's it. Doxpop has made it that simple to manage the service contacts for your firm.